Every night, you rest your tired head on your favorite pillow. But what if that very pillow is slowly making you sick? Yes, you heard it right. Your cozy pillow might be the hidden reason behind your headaches, allergies, skin problems, and even breathing issues. According to research, an old pillow just 2 years old can contain over 20 million bacteria and dust particles. Imagine that! Every night, you're lying on a nest filled with dust mites, fungus, and dead skin cells. And these invisible creatures may be the reason behind your sinus infections, asthma, and chronic allergies. Experts call your pillow a bacteria highway. It's not just dusty or sweat, oil, and dead skin cells mixed together, creating a perfect home for germs. These germs clog your skin pores, cause acne, and trigger itching or rashes. But here's something even more disturbing. Pillow mold or fungus can actually infect your respiratory system. We breathe just inches away from our pillows for about 8 hours every night. That means thousands of bacteria enter your lungs as you sleep, silently harming your health. So, what's the solution? First, wash your pillow every 6 months. If it's not washable, at least clean the pillow cover weekly. And most importantly, replace your pillow every 2 years. This simple habit can drastically reduce bacteria buildup. Sunlight is one of the best natural disinfectants. Expose your pillow to the sun once a week. The UV rays kill dust mites and fungus effectively. And before you sleep, make sure your face and hair are clean. That's how you prevent sweat and oil from contaminating your pillow. Many people wake up with headaches, sneezing, or sore throats and think it's just a cold. But in reality, the hidden enemy could be inside your pillow. We care so much about our sleep, but we often forget to care about what we sleep on. A healthy night's rest begins with a clean pillow, because clean sleep means a cleaner, healthier life.